For decades, Western medicine has held a grudge against inflammation, and when injured, we often turn to anti-inflammatory medicines. But that swollen, painful inflammation is actually an influx of immune cells that protect the injury from infection and building cells that repair what's been broken. By suppressing inflammation, we experience temporary relief, but we can also stunt our body's elegant healing process. A more holistic approach to injury is to support healthy inflammation and resolution with herbs like turmeric and nutrients like omega-3s. The curcumin from turmeric reduces some of the uncomfortable symptoms of inflammation without suppressing the healing process. Omega-3s introduce substances called resolvin factors. Once the injury is healed, resolvin factors tell your body that the problem has been resolved and that the inflammation can stop. Rather than suppressing our body's natural healing process, we can start supporting it with supplementation of turmeric and omega-3s. Be sure to check with your healthcare practitioner about an approach to injury and inflammation that's right for you.